and I'm going to be testing combining the two methods together by first using the heat gun and then dunking it in the boiling water. I'm also going to try applying the baking soda once the water is boiling rather than before I start heating it up. Alright, we have our water boiling, and now we will add the baking soda slowly. Alright, we'll go heat up our car with the heat gun and then come dunk it right into the water. Let's see what happens. Alrighty, test number 1. This is running on low setting for about a minute. Alright. And yeah, paint is still there. Alright, here's the second car. We will do this for about a minute on the high setting. Well, the paint is kind of fused them together a bit. Alright, here's the scraper, and as we can see, it's kind of peeling it off there. Not by much. The paint is supposed to be just flaking off or coming right off. That's obviously not the case. And as you can see, it makes quite a mess with our precipitated baking soda. And instead of shiny metal, we now have kind of a dull metal. So it looks like I'll just have to go back to using the paint stripper.